Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In this video, we are exploring some of the most common Korean nouns or words that start with the consonant P. And we have already learned a lot of Korean words starting with various other Korean alphabets including Kyuk, Nien, Piep, Tigit, and almost all of them. Now, as I said, in this video, we are going to focus on words beginning with the letter P, from food to feelings, nature to daily life. There is a wide range of words that begin with this alphabet. And these words are super helpful whether you are learning basic vocabulary or expanding what you already know. So let's get started and add some new Korean words to our vocabulary list. Arms, pal, pal. Letter, 편지, 편지. Grapes, 포도, 포도. Pizza, pizza, pizza. As you can see, pizza is a loan word, as this is the transliteration of the English word pizza. Fly, 파리, 파리. Grass, 풀, 풀. Waterfall, 폭포, 폭포. Skin, 피부, 피부. Pasta, 파스타, 파스타. Again, pasta is a loan word. Balloon, 풍선, 풍선. Ticket, 표, 표. Judge, 판사, 판사. Fatigue, 피로, 피로. Convenience store, 편의점, 편의점. Fork, 포크, 포크. This one is also a loan word. Glue, 풀, 풀. So, as we have already seen in this video, that grass in Korean is also called pul. So there are two words, grass, glue. Both of them are called pul in Korean. Wave, 파도, 파도. Pencil case, 필통, 필통. Pen, pen, pen. This is a loan word. Salesman, 판매원, 판매원. Leopard, 표범, 표범. Storm, 폭풍, 폭풍. Party, 파티, 파티. This one is also a loan word. Party is the transliteration of this English word party. Bell pepper, 피망, 피망. Windmill, 풍차, 풍차. Green onion, 파, 파. Pudding, pudding, pudding. As you can see, pudding is also a loan word. Blood, 피, 피. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Again comes a loan word. Heat wave, pogrom, pogrom. Bracelet, palchi, palchi. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Lung, pear, pear. Pie, pie, pie. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some essential Korean words that start with pear, but as we all know, there are still many more words left. So, if you can think of any other Korean words that begin with pear, then please do share them in the comments and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.